Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the minimum essentials: your full street address, parcel ID, or GPS coordinates, and a recent proof of address. Open the official government municipal locator, or county GIS. This is the only reliable way to find jurisdiction. Once done, paste the address into the search bar and hit locate. You will see boundary lines and a municipal name. Make sure to note the contact phone and the office hours shown in the result for direct confirmation. You now verify what the map shows against official property records. Open the county assessor or recorder pages and match the parcel ID or address. This confirms ownership boundaries and municipal assignments. While doing this, note municipal codes, district names, and any special district overlays like school or utility. Once matched, take screenshots and record the lookup date. These steps prevent mismatches when you later contact offices or submit forms, and they explain why boundaries sometimes differ between maps. Finish by contacting the municipal office directly to confirm the name, jurisdiction, and who provides services for your address. Read the screenshot details aloud and request a confirmation email or reference number. You want written proof. If the online lookup fails or shows conflicting results, make sure to visit the county clerk or recorder in person or request mailed records. This often resolves database errors. One troubleshooting tip: when maps disagree, rely on recorded property records and an official staff confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.